Hey everybody, it's Big E. Welcome to Big E's Auto. So we're still working on the C4. This time I'm going to show you. This is actually going to be like an overview because this project was a lot worse than I thought it was going to be. We put an X pipe on the vent here. And I know the welds don't look the greatest, but it's a flex core welder I was using. Yeah, if I had gas, if I was a certified welder, I would have done that, but I was using flux core. That's what you got. So I had to fabricate a mount using the factory and another clamp, and then use reducers there and tried to weld everything. Now I'm going to paint with a high-tech paint. I don't know if I'm gonna use a paint or a coating. I don't know yet. I have to decide. But basically, the hard part is figuring out where to graph in, where the factory pipes come back. That was the easy part, was the rear. You know, that's just a matter of cutting it. But figuring out this angle here, I mean, you need some advanced, like, freaking geometry, freaking algebra shit that I didn't know. So it was like, you know, trial and error to get it. But basically you sneak up on it. But basically it's on. It just has to be coated because I don't want all this, when I obviously have to do some grinding yet, I don't want it to rot out. So everybody's gonna want to know, okay, Eric, well, I don't know how much horsepower, but I do know one thing: the car does sound different. So what I'm gonna do here is let's see if we can. Let me get the keys here and see if we can start it up and you guys can get a little bit of a sound here. So this seems like it has a little more of an aggressive tone of an idle than it did before. So I'm anxious to see with a road test what it'll do. The problem I have right now is that the power steering pump just went completely kaput on it. Unfortunately, putting the cooler on didn't save it, so I have to put a pump on it before I can even drive it, because it's so bad. To me, it's not safe enough. So I have to wait till that's done, and then what we'll do once we get that on, we're gonna take it. I'll take you guys for a road trip and we'll see how it is, how it sounds, how it handles, all that stuff. So just a quick overview of putting an X pipe on. Yes, I've heard of the performance advantages. It does sound a little different, but it's a bit of a project. So my advice would be, if you're going to do exhaust work, try and buy an exhaust system that already has the X pipe engineered into it, because graphing into a factory one is a real pain, but it can be done. So anyway, like and subscribe. Until next time, watch out for each other, take care of each other. We'll see you next time right here on Big E's. Bye for now.